Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send your USDT from Binance to Binance using ID. It's possible to send your USDT tokens from your Binance account to another Binance account without paying any gas fees or transaction fees for this. How can you do this? Head to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once there, from your overview, scroll to your spot of funding, depending on where you have your USDT. Once you've taken note of how much USDT you have, click on the withdraw option, click on USDT, and then click on the send via email, phone, or ID option. Once you've clicked on this, provide a Binance ID or a Pay ID in order to send. So basically what a Binance Pay ID is, your unique ID for your Binance account. So you could just simply provide a unique ID for a Binance account, enter the amount you wish to withdraw, and then simply click on the withdraw option. You could add a note, thanks for today, and then simply click on send, and it would be sent over to the Binance ID or Pay ID that is supported on Binance. You could as well get this from your recent logs of accounts. So you could go with any of the accounts you've recently sent and click on send, and you're not going to pay for any gas fee or withdrawal fees. So that's how you can easily move your USDT. Comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.